This is going to be a very dangerous video. Hello everyone, this is Korean channel, and for those who do not know, the Ayer page on Twitter said that they're going to be releasing a never before seen clip of the original helicopter scene from Suicide Squad. I don't know if some of y'all will be able to see it, because I don't know if my channel will end up getting a copyright strike, because this isn't Warner Brothers doing. So because of how Warner Brothers owns the rights to Suicide Squad, I don't know if I'm gonna end up getting a flag. So I'm a little nervous, but I am mostly excited to see this new clip that they're releasing. Right now I'm just waiting until they post it, but before I react to this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. It help motivate me to bring more content to you guys in the future. Ring the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and share this video with your friends. And yeah, we're now just playing the waiting game until they post the clip, and we should get to reacting. So I've been sitting here for about 5 to 6 minutes, and the suspense is killing me. I'm too hyped, I'm too excited, and I'm a little nervous. I'm waiting so impatiently. Guys, here we are 30 minutes later, sweating, and still waiting so impatiently for this clip to come through. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Within 5 hours, they just released it. Let's go.
The shit that I do for you. We're gonna talk.
Oh my god! Oh.
The shit that I do for you. We're gonna talk.
I know. 10 seconds. It's not worth freaking out over.
The shit that I do for you. We're gonna talk.
Just release the movie already, please. Just release the movie. Guys. I can't talk. I can't talk. Oh my god. Release the Ayer cut. I'm crying. I know, 5 hours for a 10-second clip, but it was still worth it. Like, the more we keep seeing new footage, oh man. I'm shaking. I'm seriously shaking. Okay, I don't know what to say. I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. I guess. Yeah, goodbye.